In this video, we will learn how to insert finance in Google Sheet. So let's start this in my Google Sheet. Select the cell where you want to insert the finance details. So I select the first cell and go to the Insert tab, then click on the Smart Chips option. And here you can see the second last option is a finance. So I just click on it and type to search for finance info. When you search here anything, you get the finance information. If you enter the company name, you get the finance information, that company share information, rate information, everything your search related to the finance. So I just enter here an f, so I just an f enter. You can see the Netflix. Here you can see I just drag below the floating rate, income, funds, dividends, all the finance related information. Select and you can insert here. Okay, just click on again and you can see the market cap also showing. Okay, so this way you can insert the finance. If you want to see in detail, just click on this view details icon to open this new tab. Just click on it and you can see in Google Finance the open here dividend, okay, related full market details, okay, full finance details available here. Okay, so this is a way you can insert here the finance related informations. So those you want to insert, you can insert, just search it. And the second way, just right click of the mouse, select the first cell. I just select the cell and right click, and here also have a same option, Smart Chips, and click on the finance to insert the finance data. I just enter here the G and you can see the GTL Infrastructures Limited. You can see the finance detail of the GTL here showing. Okay, so this is a way you can insert the finance related details in Excel sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.